This conference will now be recorded.
So guys, what was the last topic we covered?
Modules, Ansible.
No, in Ansible only. What was the did I show that like how to check modules and all?
Yes, sir. Yes, completed, Amar. That's what.
Ansible -doc. Have I started playbook, guys?
Not yet, Amar. Today you
Playbook I
said you will
haven't
start it.
started.
No.
Only I showed command lines, the command line arguments, plus how to check modules,
Modules.
how to check arguments, right? I completed that, right? Okay, that's
Yes.
great. Yeah. So guys, in today's class, I will show you how to write a program with Ansible. Okay. And sorry for yesterday, guys. Maybe today I will take little extra time. Okay. So to cover that, maybe today and tomorrow. So 15 minutes extra I will take. Okay. Yeah. So in like as I told, where I'm going to show you how to write a program. And before that, so why should I write a program? Guys, already I have command line, right? Generally, not only in Ansible, in anywhere, maybe in shell script or else .NET program, Java program. Why should I write a program first of all? Already we can do in command line. What could be the reason, guys? Why we have to write a program? Any idea, guys? Why should I go with program?
To automate things.
Exactly, guys. Maybe sometimes I have a set of commands. I have set of commands every time, routine task I'm running every time. So running every command step like one by one, very difficult, time waste process. What we can do, simple, we can make it in a single file and a single shot we can execute. And no need to remember those commands. That's one more thing. If it is a command line, you have to remember, you have to store somewhere in your command, maybe file. Again, you have to maintain some file in your desktop or somewhere to note down the command. One by one, you have to copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. It's unnecessarily time waste process. So instead of that, simple in a here itself, I can make a program. Whatever the task you're writing, the set of tasks, so you can make it in a single file. So that is called as program. It doesn't matter which language it is. So here in Ansible also we can write down the programs. So that program is called as playbook, guys. So Ansible programs are called as playbooks. Set of tasks will be there in that playbook. Okay. So let's can you cd to your etc Ansible folder? So generally we'll maintain our playbooks under etc Ansible folder only. etc Ansible. Enter. ls. Okay. So playbook name can be anything, guys, but the extension should be YML or YAML. Ansible playbook extension should be YML or YAML. So basically we are writing in YAML language, guys. Okay, so playbooks can be written in YAML language. So basically YAML is not only for Ansible. It can be used for some other, even in Kubernetes also we'll use YAML language. So here in Ansible also you are using YAML language. It's like again general English, guys. So let's write a sample playbook. VI space your playbook name, any name. Playbook name can be anything. Yeah, playbook 1.yml. As I told, extension can be YML or YAML. YAML means full form. YML is a shortcut, guys. Okay. Now insert mode. So always remember a playbook should start with triple hyphen. That means starting of the playbook. Yeah. So triple hyphen, guys. So that means starting of a playbook. Again, you can have this like maybe in a single playbook, multiple plays. Maybe what is play, you can understand later. So you may think anyway it's a file starting only. Why should I maintain again first starting of like why should I say to Ansible like this is the first line, something like you may think like that. But later point of time you will come to know that there will be like multiple plays. So play is nothing but set of tasks. So multiple plays you can maintain. So what is play you will come to know in some time. Yeah. So hyphen host, next line. So playbook is, guys, is very you have to maintain the again indentation, guys. It's must and should. Spaces, wherever you need a space, compulsory you should give a space. But very easy to identify, guys. Very easy to identify. If at all you forgot something, okay, syntax check you can check. It will show you what where a space required, something like that. Very easy. So as of now, hyphen space host colon space your group name. In which group of servers you want to run your server, you want to run this playbook. Okay, here in playbook itself we'll give the command, guys. We'll give the like again group name, enter. So maybe space, one more space. This is the syntax, guys. You should follow like this only. One more space. It should be equal with the same position of host. Yeah. Task, TASKS, colon. Next line. Next line. We equals to that task position. Hyphen space name. Hyphen space name colon. Space your description about the task. So example, I want to install an application. So guys, sample purpose, I'm showing some list of tasks here. It can be based on your requirement. What are the tasks you want to, maybe generally like all related tasks at one shot you want to trigger, those tasks you will make it in a single playbook. Here example purpose, I'm giving some set of tasks like install httpd, install httpd, httpd.
Already HTTPD is there, so we
No
can install
problem.
another
Just
one.
we'll write maybe Git then. Install
Okay.
Git. Or else install Docker. Make it Docker. Docker. Yeah, next line. So it should be equals to num name. So what is the module name to install Docker? Yum. Colon. Name equals to Docker. State equals to installed. Here example, guys. Example I'm giving Docker application. Can be your application. Next line. Hyphen name again. Same position. Same like above. Like this, all the tasks one by one you will write down, guys. Example, start Docker service. Start Docker service. Next line. So what is the module to start the service? Service. No hyphen. Same similar to M module. How you given a module name? No hyphen, right? Service. Name equals to Docker. State equals to started. Same similar to above. Name equals to Docker. State equals to started. One more task. Example, let's create a file. Hyphen name, create a file. Create a file. So how can I know that? What are the tasks I have to add here? Simple. Example, your application guy requested something. Hey Amar, I have some set of servers. Please do all these commands. Please run all these things in my server. He will give the task to you. Based on that, you should use the module names. Here, example purpose, I'm using these modules. Yeah, name equals to some file. Which file you want to? Example, under TMP or under etc, I want to create something. Some test one, file one. Base state equals to touch. Example, one more. Create user, create a user, name. So description you can give based on your requirement, guys. Create a user. Create a user. Next, user colon. Name equals to Dinesh. Okay, Amar. State equals to present. So like this, you can add any number of tasks in a single playbook, guys. Whatever the servers, whatever the task you want to trigger in one shot on dev servers group, you can add all the tasks like this one by one. Now let's trigger this. Save this playbook. So this is called as playbook, guys. Now you written a program. So same like command line playbook, similar, guys. Okay, now how to trigger the playbook? Ansible -playbook. Command is different, guys. Generally, what is the command to trigger Ansible commands? Command line Ansible space -m space. Yeah, here Ansible -playbook without space. This is the command, guys. If it is a playbook, you have to. This is the command, not Ansible, not single Ansible. Ansible -playbook is the command. Space your command name. Sorry, your playbook name. Which playbook you want to trigger? You may have n number of playbooks, right? So all the playbooks you can write down here. Enter. So guys, one more thing. Did I show that color coding part?
No, Amar.
Yellow.
No, Amar.
What is yellow color?
No.
What is green color?
No, no.
Have I showed that?
No.
No,
No.
Amar.
No. Okay. First I will show that one. Clear the screen. Yeah, one more important thing, guys. Clear the screen once. After that, I'll come to this part. Clear. Okay. So guys, color coding. So actually, when we run a command or playbook, you're getting different colors: red color, yellow color, green color. So you no need to go to client to verify the thing, guys, whether it's successful or not. Without going client, here itself you can find out your command successfully triggered or not. Okay, already the position is like that only. But example, I ran one like maybe user create command. So guys, first time it will create. Second time it won't create, right? Yes or no, guys? Let's write in Ansible -m. Ansible -m user module. You're using user module user -a double quotes name equals to Dinesh. Okay, anything Patel. State equals to present. Your group of servers. Which group of server you want to trigger your playbook? Enter. Yeah. See here. Here third, fourth line, yellow color fourth line, changed equals to true is there. Yeah. So guys, in output, if you see change equals to true, that means change happened. Guys, successfully happened. Now my Ansible server connected to dev server, maybe whatever the server under dev group. So it connected and it created that Patel user successfully. Change happened. True is nothing but change happened. Now run the same command one more time. Let's see what will happen. See guys, can you highlight the changed status now? What is the current status, guys? False. My command correct only. But what is changed equals to true means change happened. Change false means nothing. Change did not happen. Already user is there. Ansible did not create the user again. That's what this meaning, guys. False is nothing but your command correct only, but already Patel user is there. So it did not do anything. That's what this meaning, guys. change true, change false. Guys, based on this, we can write down the condition later part of time. So make sure understand this concept, guys. Any doubts here? Change equals to true, change equals to false. Did you understand, guys? What is change equals to true? Hello, guys. What is
Yes,
change equals? What is change equals to true?
something change happened.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you there?
Hello, guys.
Yes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, Amar.
Yes, yes.
I'm sorry, guys. It seems audio lost. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, here change true means change completed. Changes did so your Ansible did the change successfully. Your Ansible created the user. Not only here, anything, whatever the task you given, it is successfully done by Ansible. Change false means already in client machine, whatever the task you are trying to do, it's already in the same position. Example, I want to create like some, maybe I want to install application. Maybe clear one more time, clear the screen. Let's install one package. Maybe Ansible -m yum -a name equals to Java, state equals to installed. So if it is the first time, guys, already Java not installed there. Assume that Java not there in your client machine. It will be changed to true. Your Ansible will connect to dev server. Dev servers, I think so. Change equals to true means change happened. If change equals to false means already change, already Java is there. That is what that meaning. Let's wait for, yeah. Now scroll up little bit. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Yeah. Change it true, guys. That too, yellow color means change true, guys. Generally, by default, change true means yellow color only. Okay, means change happened. It went to it. My Ansible connected to my dev server. There Java not there, so my Ansible installed it. Now run it one more time. Same command. Let's try to install the same thing. Nothing. It won't do anything now because already Java is there. See, guys. Now change equals to false. That means change already Java is there. So like so your Ansible did not do anything. Okay, now clear the screen. This is about color coding, guys. So basically this information, how your Ansible should behave and all, everything available in that configuration file, guys. Can you do ls? That ansible.cfg file is there, right? Your Ansible behavior is based on that file only. How it knows it? Like my inventory file, my client information is there in host file and all. Because of this configuration file only, guys. Your Ansible will read this configuration file. Open that configuration vi ansible.cfg. So guys, here only like you can change the behavior of your Ansible. Can you use color? Maybe search with color / in VA editor. Forward slash is the search button, guys. One more time. N N N for next search. N N, yeah, here it is. See, changed to yellow. Actually, here all are like a hash mark, right? So it seems somewhere in Ansible reading some like already by default while developing itself, they made yellow color is for changed. So if at all I want to change this behavior, okay, so guys, if at all I want to change any behavior, so I should remove the hash mark. I should add whatever the example I want to make it green color for changed button. So remove that hash mark. Right now, don't do that. Okay, just I'm telling you. If at all any behavior you want to change, Ansible behavior. So here you can change it. Okay, right now don't do that anything. Close this file. Do ls. Now let's run your playbook one more time. Already you triggered, but let me explain the playbook, how it works. Okay, can you highlight the first part? Play, first part, play dev servers. So guys, what is this mean? In which group of servers you are running playbook? That is what this meaning. Dev servers. Okay, because in playbook you given dev servers only, right? Now the second one. Do we have this task in our playbook? Gathering facts information. The task is we haven't written. So by default, your Ansible has this task, guys. Not only now, even in command line also. When you run Ansible command, so gathering facts command will be triggered, guys. Just a minute, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm back. So what is gathering? Guys, everybody mute yourself. Guys, everybody mute yourself. So gathering facts is nothing but, guys, your Ansible, whenever you run a command or playbook, what will happen? Whenever, so for all the servers, from all the servers, it will gather the facts, guys. Fact is nothing but information. So there is a module called setup. Setup module will be executed in all the clients, guys. By default, actually that setup module you did not written in your playbook, but still the setup module will be triggered by default. Even in command line also, guys, if you see in command line also, if you run a command, okay, if you run a command also, that there also setup module will be triggered by default, but you cannot see that. So what is that gathering facts means? It gathers the information, guys, about your server. What information? Like what is what applications running there? What is the kernel? Like maybe what is the, what I can say? What is the kernel version? What is the OS version? How much RAM it has? How much kernel it has? Sorry, the CPU it has. What is the current utilization? How many users you have? Okay, so everything like it will gather. Let me show you what is that module. Can you clear the screen? Ansible -m setup. Ansible -m setup. This setup module only will gather the facts, guys. Actually, this module I did not covered added into my playbook, but still it will be executed. Default module, guys. This is setup -a. Maybe -a not required. Your group of server. Which group of server you want to? Maybe dev servers. Dev servers. Enter. Yeah. See, guys. Under dev servers, whatever the servers you have, I think only one server you have currently. So it will check all. It will all are variables only, guys. What is the uptime? What is scroll up little bit? What is the like current user you are using for Ansible? What is the kernel version? What is the CPU version? Maybe like see what is the Python version you are using there? What is the OS version? How much RAM you have? Which hardware you are using? So what is the boot image? See, scroll up. OS family, uptime, so many things. It will gather all this information, guys. By default, setup module will trigger for every command or every playbook. This much information it will gather from all the servers. Okay. Yeah, scroll up. Your network information, CPU information, memory information, what is the IP address, how many disks you have, everything it will gather. Okay, because of that only, guys, what happened? Example, I used a user module to create a user. How it knows it that user exists already? Because of these gather facts only, guys. Okay, so this is about setup module. Now clear the screen. By default, this will be included in your playbook, guys, or command. Now run your playbook again one more time. No problem, guys. You can run any number of time. It won't do anything again, right? Because already you did it. See, first task. Whatever the description you given in playbook, that task, that description only you can see here, guys. See, after gathering facts, install Docker. That task only you given, right? Introduction. Maybe what I can say, not introduction. That description. See, start Docker service. Next, create user. See, all are green color. Why file is showing yellow color, guys? That file also you triggered right before, but now why it is showing yellow color? Any idea?
It created
Rewrite.
I'm sorry, guys.
File name is same, right, Amar? So maybe it's rewritten.
Come again? Not clear.
The file name is already there, so I created a file one. So maybe it's rewritten. Touch command, it will be
So
rewrite the
actually,
file
I
one
given
command.
a state equals to touch, right? What? So generally, touch command, what it will do, if it is file does not exist, it will create it. If file exists already, it will update the timestamp. It won't do anything actually. It will just update the timestamp. So modification time will be modified. So something change is there. That is the reason change. It is showing color, yellow color. Change true. See below bottom line, you can see the recap also. So for each server, currently you given only one server. Right? Can you give all up arrow? For all server, it will show the recap, guys. Enter. No, not in outside. In playbook, I'm sorry. Open your playbook. Make it all instead of dev servers. Is it a Ubuntu machine? One more machine?
Yes, yes. One mission is
That
Ubuntu and
is
one mission is Linux. So that's why it's showing.
that's the reason. So basically, you given M module. So guys, in again Linux distributions, Red Hat, CentOS, Amazon Linux, all are same family. M command will work. M module will work to install any application. But there is one more family like Debian and Ubuntu machines. One more type of distributions. In that distribution, what I can say, like a M command won't work out. Okay, you have to go with keep it like that. No problem. No need to change it. Yeah, it's a Ubuntu machine he has taken. So later part of time we can add that Ubuntu that apt command also. As of now, that's fine. Clear the screen. See guys, for every server, it's recapping. Run it one more time. See last recap happening where like you can exactly find out how many changes happen. So how many like okay, is there unreachable anytime, like server unreachable, any command failed, everything you can find out here guys. Okay, now clear the screen. This is how you can trigger the playbook. So guys, while executing playbook, there are so many shortcuts. Okay, so we can check the syntax without running. So here example I written only 4 or 5 tasks, but in real time you may have like 50 tasks, 25 tasks, 30 tasks in a single playbook. Okay, so without running, before running also you can check the syntax guys. Use up arrow. How to check the syntax of your playbook, whether it's correct or not. Space hyphen check. Space hyphen check. Enter. Oh, sorry, it's dry run, not hyphen check. Clear the screen. Hyphen syntax. Up arrow. Hyphen syntax hyphen check. Hyphen syntax hyphen check. Enter. It will show the syntax of playbook guys. If everything correct, okay, it will show like this. So let me corrupt our playbook. Let's see that. Can you open a playbook? We'll do something. We'll corrupt the playbook somewhere. Can you, in a second line, can you remove the space before host? Anywhere, maybe before host in the second line. Now save this. Trigger the playbook. See guys, somewhere nearby it will show the like logic guys. See last 2 lines. Line 3, column 8, but maybe just nearby it will show guys. It will give the suggestions. Okay, it will give the suggestions whether your playbook is correct or not, syntax correct or not. Open your playbook, maybe do it somewhere else. Correct this and do it somewhere else. Somewhere else. Maybe syntax is different, value is different. Here it may take as a value. It's not a syntax, right? Syntax means spaces. Somewhere remove one space. Extra space is okay. Less space. It should not be less space. Okay, now check the syntax one more time. Yeah, see guys, again somewhere it's showing nearby. Yum. Is that the same line you corrupted?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how we can identify, guys, your syntax correct or not without running your playbook. Now run your playbook, open your playbook and correct it. Save this. Now there is a command called a dry run, guys. Generally, when do you say dry run or trial run, guys? Normal question, not related to Ansible. General question, guys. What is trial run or dry run? Guys?
It's like dry day.
Huh?
It's like dry day.
Exactly. Okay. So
Okay.
actually, you're running, but it's not actual run. Maybe example metro. Okay, so before they started actual run, they'll do the dry run. They will run the train in between the stations, but no, maybe like customers, right? So that is what dry run. Here also, maybe can you open your file once, playbook? Let's add one more task quickly. Add one more task. Create new user. Go to last line. One more user, -name. Create new user, one more user. Oh, name, create one more user. State equals to name equals to Dinesh, state equals to started. Oh, sorry, present. Save this. Okay, don't run now. Use up arrow. Yeah. So guys, here I want to test this playbook. I don't want to trigger my playbook first of all. I want to just like maybe syntax correct, then only your playbook will trigger. But syntax correct. But I want to see how it is running. Okay, what it is doing, I want to check. Okay, use -, check. -, check instead of -, syntax check. So just -, check. Enter. So actually your playbook triggered, guys, here. The thing is, it's not actual trigger. See, last create user, it's showing that user is created. But can you go ahead and check it in your client?
I think in the file you haven't given create a user, you just give create user.
Sorry?
I think there is a mistake in the file itself.
No, we didn't run that file, so that's the reason the user not created. Just we checked the file only.
Yeah, file is correct only, but we did dry run, guys. That is what I am showing. Hyphen check means it won't actual run. It is not actual run. It is just a dry run. So trial run. Okay, so just I want to see what is happening there, whether it's triggering properly or not, all the tasks. That is the reason it is not there. Actually, I did not run the playbook, guys. Go back to master, remove that hyphen check, then it will run. It is actual run now. Dry run is different. Actual run is different, guys. Now it is triggered. See, same output only. Even if you run with hyphen check also, same output you can see. But what is the difference? It is just showing, that's it. But see here, now the user gets created because it's actual run. Did you understand the difference between dry run and actual run, guys? Any doubts? Your playbook dry run and actual run. Dry run means just for trial run. Checking, I'm checking whether it's running or not properly. What output I'm getting, what errors I'm getting. Just trial run, guys, not actual run. So before running, testing purpose. Everything. It's not syntax check, guys. Syntax check is different. Okay, so now clear the screen.
Amar, both has the same color coding.
Same, it will show as it is.
Oh, then we have to be careful here.
That's what. So dry run always you have to use the hyphen check command. Okay, so hyphen check means dry run. Now clear the screen. Up arrow. Now I want to see, maybe like without opening a file, I want to see only the list of tasks. Okay, shortcut hyphen list, hyphen list, hyphen tasks, hyphen tasks. It will list task list, guys. It will show all the tasks which are available in your playbook. Enter. See, install Docker, start Docker service, create file, create user, create user. Five tasks are there in your playbook. Okay, so now next thing. I want to run my playbook interactively. So you may have 10 tasks in a playbook. I don't want to run all the tasks, guys. Selectively, I want to run. Maybe second one, fifth one, 10th one, something like this. Selectively, I want to run my playbook, not all the tasks. Use up arrow, remove that list tasks, hyphen step, hyphen step. It will ask for every task, guys. Yes or no, it will ask for every task. Enter. Yes. Enter. So gathering facts. Do you want to make it yes or no? Yes. So sorry, it's third one. Okay. Okay. See here, it is for. So no means this particular task will be executed. I mean skipped. Make it no. This task did not executed. Now C means continue, guys. Example, you have 20 tasks. Up to 10, I want to make it selectively. Maybe second task I want to make it. So I will make it yes. Fourth task, yes. Remaining, no. Okay. So up to 10th, I will maybe I need, I have some requirement. So I did yes or no for up to 10. Now onwards, I don't want yes or no. So like, because remaining all I want to run. C, press C, continue, guys. It won't ask yes or no now onwards. After this task, see, your remaining playbook will be executed. So this is what's interactive execution, guys. step execution, step by step. It will ask you, do you want to execute this task or not? Yes or no, yes or no, continue. Yes means it will execute. No means it will skip that task. Again, next task you will be prompted. C means now onwards it won't ask yes or no. I mean, for this particular execution. Okay, remaining task it won't ask yes or no. It will continue. That is what this option, guys. Very useful option. Now clear the screen. Now,
Can we do also in scripts playbooks also? Yes or
I
no?
didn't get you. Come again?
Yes and no, we are doing it manually from our Ansible server. So can we write this yes or no in Ansible playbooks? Means automation.
No, actually. No. In that case, you have to go with one more option called tags. Example, selectively you want to go, okay, but not all the tasks, then you have to go with the tags button. But if you want to go with step, it is the name itself interactive. You cannot give yes or no option there. Compulsory you have to give manually. Okay. Now up arrow.
Comments will work or not in a playbook.
Yes, you can give comments also.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll come to know later. Again,
I have
we
one
have
question.
to do. Yes.
If
Yes, tell me.
we are creating tasks, right, and we are running in multiple servers, right? Single, whether that task will run sequentially or it will take all standard servers parallelly.
Again, good question. So there are some what I can say. So methods are there in Ansible. So basically, linear method, sequential method. Some what I can say. Some like order is there here. Some like what I can say. Maybe later part of time. Okay, you will come to know that how to change that. We can change that behavior. So as of now, what it is doing means by default behavior is when you run a playbook. Example, first task is there. So first task it will trigger in all the servers. Then only it will go to the second task. Okay, but instead of that, you can change that behavior. Example, some task it will take some time. Okay, so you don't want to wait for the second server. So what I can do, so sequentially you can do first server, complete the first task, again second, complete the second task in like that. You can change the behavior, you can change it. But by default, your commands will be, your task will be executed one by one. I mean, first task it should be triggered in all the servers, then only it will go to second task. Second task it will trigger in all the tasks, all the servers first. Second, again third task it will trigger in all the servers, then fourth task, like this. This is the default behavior. Okay, but you can change that behavior later. In that configuration file, you have that option. Yeah, good question.
Okay.
Remove that step button. Now, example, something I want to trigger. I have around 20 tasks in my playbook. Okay, I want to trigger from 7th task. Okay, some reason. I have some reason. So I want to trigger from 7th task. Simple. What I will do? Hyphen start. First list the task. Hyphen list hyphen tasks. List hyphen tasks. So example, I want to start from third task. Create a file that from that task. Okay, remaining all I want to trigger. First maybe first 10, first 20 I want to ignore. From which task you want to trigger, you have to select that first. Okay, now up arrow. Remove that hyphen list task. Just a minute, guys. Hello. Okay, bro. Okay, guys. So here example, I want to trigger from what I can say, like a third create a file. So I want to trigger from this task. Hyphen start. Hyphen start. Good.
Can you please
Hyphen
someone
start.
mute? Some fan song is coming.
Yeah.
And okay,
Everybody,
fine.
can you please mute yourself, guys? Everybody, mute yourself. Yeah. Hyphen start. Hyphen at task. Hyphen start. Hyphen at hyphen task. So guys, still fan sound is coming. Can you please everybody mute yourself who are not talking? Hyphen start. Hyphen at. Dinesh, are you able to hear me? Hyphen at hyphen task.
Yes, sir.
Hyphen task. Not tasks. Task equals to double quotes, open and close. Inside that, your task name. Maybe you have to choose from above. Create a file, whatever the task, from which task. So guys, the example, some playbook, one playbook is there. Already you triggered. Somehow, at some point of time, you just cancel the playbook, Control C. Somehow, okay, because of some dependency and all. So up to 10 task already completed. I don't want to trigger again from up to 10th. Simple, start at task, that particular 11th task. It will trigger from 11th task only, guys. Enter. See, from create file only it triggered. First two ignored. Example of third one, here only 5. Maybe you may have 20, you may have 30. From 20th task you want to start. You can use this option, guys. Okay. So now clear the screen. One more option. So can you open your playbook now? Yeah. Again, selectively I want to run. Already step command is there, guys. Selectively you can go with, but every time you have to give yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, right? But somehow, again, in a single playbook, I have some application related commands, tasks, database related tasks. Okay. So related commands, all I can give as the same tag, guys. Go to first task, last line, first task, create a new line. Under M itself, tags, tags, colon. Example, some tag name, any name, space, Docker. Example, I'm giving Docker tag for this one. It's your wish. Tag name, you can give anything, just for identification purpose. So all Docker related tasks, yeah, apps, your wish. Example, for the next one also give the same tag. So all related tasks, you will give the same tag. Maybe next one, give some other tag. Next one. For this, give some other tag. Something maybe file tag. It's your wish, guys. We make it. No need to give for all the tasks. Only some related tasks are. I want to trigger in one shot. Next one make it as user tag. So next two, make it as user tag. For every task, you no need to give the tag, guys. It's not mandatory. It's your wish completely. Which task you want to give which tag, it's completely your wish. You can give the same tag for related tasks. You may not give the tag, it's not mandatory. Here example purpose I'm giving for some task, I'm giving some tag, some maybe create one more task without tag. One more task without tag. It's completely your wish, guys. Which task you want to give tag, which task you no need to give tag, it's completely your wish. All related tasks you will give single tag. Maybe what we will do, so create a new file directory this time, create a directory. Example, guys, example something, create a directory. Create a directory. File. Module name is file only for directory also. Name equals to /tmp/folder1. Here every time I am don't think that, so every time we have to give tmp only. It's example purpose tmp. I'm under that. I'm no directory. State equals to directory. For this I'm not giving any tag. Your wish. Now save this. Okay. Now list tasks. Enter. It will show task name, tag name also, wherever it has tag. Special tags also you can see, only tags instead of task names. Up arrow. List tags. Only tags also you can find out. Next. So I want to trigger only Docker tag, apps tag, only that related tasks. Selective. Okay. Up arrow. Hyphen tags. Hyphen tags. Your tag name. You can give multiple also with comma. No. Hyphen tag space. Your tag name. No hyphen. You can give multiple also with comma, your wish. So what are the tags you want to give? Only one tag I want to particular related to that tag. Your wish. Apps or files. Only now these related two tags tasks only will be triggered. Go ahead and do it now.
Amar, it will trigger based on we created file one step by step, or how? Otherwise, it will be
Wherever.
triggering.
I didn't get to come again.
We created apps, right? So the thing is, we first install Docker, and after that we started service, right? So step by step, it automatically came, or randomly it will be taken.
No, step by step only. First it will check apps tag. Wherever app tag is there, first apps tag will be triggered. Thereafter files. Okay. Now clear the screen. So this is also selective, guys. So hyphen F, you can go with hyphen F and step, but every time you have to give yes, yes, no, yes, no. You cannot automation there. Okay, every time compulsory you have to give manually. Okay, if you don't know, like you haven't given tag concept, but every time it's changing my requirement, which task I want to trigger, which task I don't want to trigger, every time changing. Then go with first one, that concept. I have selective concept, I have interactive concept. If at all, what I can say, maybe already you have common every time same type of concept. In that case, go with like a tags concept. So guys, did you understand the tag concept? What is the purpose of tag? Any doubts? Hello guys.
No, Amar.
Yeah, understood.
It's clear.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so like this, guys, you can add any number of tasks, any number of tags in your playbook. Okay. So next thing is variable concept. Very, very important concept. Variable concept. Okay. So open your playbook. There are many ways to provide the variable. Open the playbook. Here, how many applications you are installing? M module, how many times you used? Only one time, right?
Yes.
Any module you used 2 times?
User.
Okay, so that's fine. Docker application you are installing. Assume that you have 10 applications to install. In that case, what is your approach? 10 tasks I have to write. Yes or no, guys? 10 times M module task I have to write. If I have 10 applications, that is one of the way. But there is one shortcut. Example, I have 10 applications, maybe 10 files to create. No need to create 10 user modules, guys. 10 tasks with user module, or maybe file module, or maybe the M module. So if any repetitive task, example, M module 10 times you are using, so you can make it as a single task only. How can I make it? Means by using variable. The value of name, I no need to give fixed name. Go to that M module. Maybe example user, come down. Example users, 10 users I have. Okay, so go to that user module, first user module. Make your cursor. Where is your cursor? Okay, here remove that Amar. Example, I have 10 user, not one user. Okay, so I don't want to make it 10 tasks for that. Of course, 10 tasks you can create. Unnecessarily waste of size, right? Waste of time also. You can make it as a single task also. Double braces, curly braces, open and close, nested curly braces. Nested curly braces. Inside itself. Inside one more time, open and close. Curly braces only, not square brackets. So guys, always remember, in a playbook, in Ansible, anywhere if you see this double braces, double curly braces, nested curly braces, that means it is a variable. That means it has the multiple values. Okay, so space item, inside item, space item, item, that is fixed value, guys. Item, space, again, before and after space. So always remember that, guys. In Ansible, if you see anywhere, okay, so double braces, that means that is a variable. Now item is the variable, guys. It has the multiple values. Now next line, create a new line under that line. With underscore items, with underscore items, no, with underscore, with WITH, with underscore items, with underscore items, colon, next line, inside, one more space, inside, hyphen, space your username, first username, example Amar, user 1, next line, again user 2. So how many users you have, that many users you can add like that. Same syntax, hyphen user 2. Maybe example, you have 10 users. 10 users you have to give like this. No need to create 10 tasks for that. Simple, one task there only, you can go with a variable concept. Example, I have directory, 10 directories I have. Same concept, go to directory concept. Here, that last one, create a directory option is there. Example, you have 10 directories, your requirement is. Same concept again. Remove the directory name.
Amar, can we take from user inputs the names?
No. Maybe there are different modules for that. You have to use scripting again. No, remove the space. Remove complete directory name. Again, double braces item. Same. No. That option only directory name I'm saying. Name value only. Directory names only. Remove the directory name. Same curly braces. Removed. Even TMP also. Complete one. Double braces. Same like above only. Again curly braces. Item. Now below with underscore item. With underscore items colon. Like this. Wherever you need a common task. Same task multiple times. You can go like this, guys. Next line. Hyphen your directory name. Directory 1, directory 2. Hyphen slash tmp slash dir1 slash tmp slash dir1 in the same way. So you can add 10 directories, 10 directories, one line by line. Only one task is enough, guys. No need to write 10 tasks. Not only for file, not only for user, not only for application, same concept. If you need 10 application, no need to write 10 tasks. In a single task itself, name instead of Docker package name there, double braces, item. Next, you can define the items. You can add n number. Now save this and run your playbook. So this is called as variable, guys. It has the multiple values. So variables means values. You may have multiple values, guys. That is called as variables. Sometimes same like already you know the variable. Sometimes you don't know the variable. Again, there are different ways to define your variables, guys. See, 4 directories created. Directory 1, directory 2, user 1 created, user 2 created. This is how you can define the variables also, guys. Same task if you want to trigger multiple times, you want to add multiple times. You no need to add the like number of tasks. Adding number of tasks also same, guys, but unnecessarily time waste, right? So that is the reason. Okay, that is how it works, guys. Okay, so yeah, I think it's enough, guys. Maybe again in tomorrow class we'll see more options. Again, condition part, error handling, so those things and all we'll see in tomorrow class.
Yeah, Amar.
Okay, guys.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
then, guys.
Hello.
Yes.
Amar.
Who is this?
Yeah, this is Vamshi.
Yes,
Yeah.
Vamshi, tell me.
Yeah. So here we have installed on multiple servers, right?
Yeah.
So instead of installing on multiple servers, can we install on specific servers?
Yes, definitely. But that one I given as a task to you guys in first class itself. Second class itself, I given a task. Any answers, guys? Anybody? Any guy? So one option is there for that. While running your command, you have to add that option. Anybody find out the answer, guys?
Yeah, I tried to find out, but I could not get it.
How to run on a specific server, guys? Hello, guys. How to run a like command on specific server? One option is there, guys. In command line, --limit, --limit, and your option, your server name, your IP addresses you can give, multiple IP address, multiple server names. Try that once. Maybe just guys try to do R&D. So good questions today. Like you guys asked many questions. Good. Yeah. So whenever you get doubt, try to do R&D, guys. In that way only you will get more options, more answers. Good. Yeah.
Amar,
Okay then, guys.
one more doubt. Like how Ansible works on containerization, since many containers are there in single server, right?
Mhm.
And how does
Yeah,
this work?
maybe. Yeah, again, container, like generally, like we don't log into containers from outside servers. It is not possible, right? Compulsory in Docker host only we have to log in. There only, like again, to do any modifications inside container, volume concept will be there. So in volumes only we'll do the changes. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay then, guys. So thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.